Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on manage down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on analytics. You just click on it. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on alerts, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to daily total sales, click in this sign or this color. So then you just switch into a color gone with you. That's mean here daily total sales disable with us now. I thought, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.